Hello everybody, I am Shomu Gandhigiri. Welcome to my channel. Hope all of you doing well. Okay, so some of you asked me that which is the best website for giving mock test for GPAT and NIPER. Okay, so in this video I am going to share with you my personal experience regarding this matter. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you that this is not a promotional video and nobody sent me a single penny for making this video or promoting their websites or their materials. Okay, so not like that. Okay, so I request you people not to take it otherwise. Okay, so when I was student and when I was a GPAT aspirant, okay, some of my friends were giving exams on different platforms. Okay, different platforms, but many of them used to give mock test on a single website. Okay, which I also prefer for that time, and now also believe that that website, okay, is the best website regarding your mock test for GPAT and NIPA. Okay, I think you can guess the name. Okay, so this is the GDC GPAT or GPAT Discussion Center. Okay, you can search on their websites. Okay, then you will get different types of your mock test series like Loxo GPAT, I mean your crack GPAT. Okay, these are different types of mock test series. Okay, you can search there, you can go there and you can enroll there if you think. Okay, so this is the first part which I want to share, which I wanted to share with you. Okay, then coming to the next part. See, it doesn't matter that on which platform you are giving mock test. Okay, it doesn't matter how many times you are giving mock test. Okay, what matters, the most important thing is that evaluation. Okay, you think that you are giving mock test on different platforms. Okay, like A, B, C. Okay, you are giving mock test on A and you are giving mock test on B and you are giving mock test on C. Okay, the most important parameter, okay, is that you have to evaluate after giving examination. After giving examination, you have to evaluate yourself with their model answer. Okay, and you have to check yourself whether, you have to find yourself whether your drawbacks are coming. Okay, in which portion you have to study more. Okay, you have to write down those points on a paper. Okay, and you have to evaluate yourself. You have to you have to find your drawbacks, you have to find your demerits. Okay, and you have to build, you have to work on that particular demerits or particular topics. Okay, see, from very personal experience. Okay, I am going to share with you that when I was giving a mock test, okay, on GDC platform. Okay, I was a student. I mean, I was used to giving mock test on GDC platform. Okay, it helped me very. I mean, in different ways, it helped me. Okay, so when I was giving mock test on that particular platform, then in one mock test I got one question that how many percentage, I mean, in which percentage of dextrose solution is regarded as isotonic in nature. Okay, so I thought that 0.9% NaCl is regarded as isotonic solution. It is good, but what about in case of your dextrose? Okay, so after giving examination, I checked the model answer. Okay, and got that 5% dextrose solution is regarded as the isotonic solution. Okay, and I wrote it on paper, I mean on my copy. Okay, after GPAT, okay, I was also giving some examinations. I mean, you can believe that this particular question came in your NIPER 2021 JEE for PhD in pharmaceutics. Okay. This particular question came in. Okay, that how many I mean which percentage of dextrose solution is regarded as isotonic in nature. Okay, so I opted for 5%. Okay, and that was correct. So different I mean giving the mock test. Okay, so that will help you in different ways. Okay, so you have to give mock tests and evaluate yourself. Okay, so this is the best thing. Okay, so you can prefer any website. Okay, you can prefer any website. There are so many websites, but the most important thing is that you have to evaluate it with the answers. Okay, with the model answers. Okay, that only can help you to do better. Okay, so this is the end of our video. Hope all of you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.